Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Black Ops 6 and stay on the main menu screen while you prepare. Make sure you are signed into the correct profile before changing settings. Pause any active multiplayer sessions to avoid sync conflicts. Plan about 1 minute to navigate through menus and confirm toggles. Have your controller or mouse ready for precise selection. If playing on PC, ensure the game is not in windowed mode to prevent misclicks. These steps reduce mistakes and keep your account preference. Navigate to settings from the main menu, then select gameplay from the top row of tabs. Scroll down until you find auto unlocks listed among other progression options. Highlight auto unlocks, then use the toggle to set it to off and stop automatic unlocks. Confirm the change by selecting Save or Apply before leaving the menu. Exit settings and return to the menu to ensure the toggle remains off. This disables automatic item unlocks during progression. Return to a weapon or operator screen and check that auto unlocks remains off. If you still see automatic unlocks, sign out and reboot the game, then reapply the toggle. Verify your network connection and ensure cloud sync completed before testing again. If the auto unlocks option is missing or fails to save, check for game updates or server notices. You can contact support if the problem persists and keep screenshots of your settings page as evidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.